back in DC T Street 600 Northwest 20 years ago እዚያ አካባቢ እንደዚህ ቆሞ ማውራት አይቻልም እንኳንስ how DC came up and changed passing through አሁን ከኤርቤንቢ ወጥተን ወደ ኒውዮርክ እንሄዳለን to see some things anyways very quickly how the study hard and work hard save your money mentality እንዴት trap እንደሆነ the younger generation yeah it's good to study the right study learn AI learn real estate AI replace የማያደርገው job most jobs are being replaced left and right እኛ እንኳን የምናውቀው ብዙ ሰው ሊዮክ እየሆነ AI እየወሰደው ስራው so get into real estate AI replace ያደርገው የማይችለው business you know you can make decent money live a decent life you don't have to get a job and just live your life miserably right most people don't enjoy their ስራቸውን enjoy ያደርጉ so education is good but the right education not the college X plus Z and nonsense study that's not going to get you nowhere poor and slave no የሚያደርገው learn the things you need in your life learn AI learn real estate come join FM studio mentorship አለ በነፃ ነው we'll give you a shot ተመራችሁ እኛ የምናደርገው እንድታደርጉ so you can live a good life I mean come join come on